hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button as we are on our way to 9.9 thousand subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. And I also have a current giveaway going on my channel, so as soon as we hit 10k, I will be announcing the winner. So make sure you enter that. But in today's video, we are going to be diving into the Lush Fresh and Flowers box for June. I am beyond excited because not only does this smell amazing, it smells kind of like tutti frutti vibes, like it's really sweet, but I've seen no spoilers either, so I'm so excited to dive in. I hope you guys enjoy. Grab yourselves a drink and a snack and carry on watching. So the first thing we have in this month's box are some flowers. Obviously the Fresh and Flowers box always comes with flowers, and I am absolutely obsessed with this month's choice. They're so pretty. I'm not actually sure what they are, but they're so beautiful. And they smell really, really good too. So I love those, love some flowers. And now moving on to the rest of the box. I'm not gonna lie, everything seems a little bit mushy. Like squishy, mushy, kind of gross, but we're gonna dive in and go through everything. So the first actual item in the box is this one. This is the Queen of Hearts soap, and it says it's a bohemian soap based with a sympathy for the skin cream combine to form a luxuriant moisturizing soap for the face and body. That's really interesting because I would never use sympathy for the skin on my face, nor would I use bohemian soap on my face, so that's really interesting. It also has no colorant, relying completely on the soap base, and a large quantity of rose infusion. Oh wow. So while I was reading that and I saw that it was a bohemian base, I was a little bit disappointed because we had bohemian soap in the kitchen box this month. However, it's completely different. It doesn't smell like bohemian at all. It's like a luxurious spa bohemian soap. Does that make sense? It smells really good. Ingredients wise in this one, we have rapeseed oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, vanilla pod infusion, geranium oil, rose absolute. It smells really good. I've smelt something similar to this, like a Christmas product maybe, but it does smell really good. So that's the first item, love that. The next item in the box is this. Now, do not get me wrong, I completely understand why they use fruits, veg, flowers, etc. to kind of store the products, but I really, really hate it because I'm not gonna lie, like, where am I supposed to put this? Do you know what I mean? I feel like it's a bit of a waste, and I feel like you don't actually get a lot of product in it when it's in a bit of fruit, because this is a whole lemon. It's not like it's been scooped out and it's the skin, like the lemon is still in there, so there's not a lot of product. But anyway, this is the Lem Slip Buttercream, and it says fresh lemon juice is a beautiful cleanser with antimicrobial properties, and it has a stimulating effect on the skin too. Irish moss is a skin softening seaweed packed with minerals to get the best out of the skin. Oh, it does smell good. Very, very lemony. It obviously, it's gonna smell like lemon, isn't it? But it smells like fresh lemon, a little bit sour, quite sweet. It smells really good. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got Irish moss infusion, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, extra virgin coconut oil, orange oil, lemon peel, orange peel, and gardenia extract. And that smells really, really good. And reading on the instructions of this, I guess it's very similar to a body conditioner. You use it in the shower and you wash it off. It smells insane. So that is the Lem Slip. That smells delish. So the next item in the box is this one. This is the Rhubarb and Custard soap, and it is actually so slippy in my fingers. I'm gonna have to put that down because I'm gonna drop that everywhere. So a bit about this soap. It says, soap compounder Michael's favourite. He wanted our rhubarb soap included in this box so you can appreciate how lovely it is when you get to use it fresh. For this soap we make our own soap base and chosen oils for the creamiest lather with hydrating olive oil, cocoa butter, coconut, and softening castor oil, plus plenty of soya milk and rhubarb. And ingredients wise, it has got soya milk, olive oil, cocoa butter, rhubarb puree, castor oil, orange oil, and loads of other things. Let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. Oh, that is good. Wow, that smells incredible. It's so fruity. It's not really rhubarby, I don't think, because I'm not a massive advocate for rhubarb, but this smells really good. It almost smells like a sweet, like a sour sweet, but it's very, very oil-based. I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to see it on my fingers or not, but it's so melty on my skin. I feel like it could be a massage bar. But I love that. That smells insane. I am a little bit sad that so far we've had 2 soaps. But we move on. What else do we have in the box? So the next item in the box is a very sad and upsetting Pumice Power. Now, I'm not necessarily overly excited about this one. You can buy this all year round. I recently got one in my mum doing my LUSH haul video, so I don't necessarily need another one. But it does smell delish. It's so fresh, so nice. Yum. Okay, so ingredients wise, this one has got Pumice Power, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, orange oil. It's very fresh. It almost has a very orange sherbet kind of smell. Super sweet. Oh, it's so good. But I love this. Essentially what you do is you use it in the bath or in the shower, and it is just a foot pumice. So you get it wet, you get your foot wet, you go to town, and it works really, really well. I do love this product a lot, so I'm not mad that I have another one. But I do like to see in these boxes things that are more unique and different that you can't buy in the store. Simply because it is £35. I feel like I don't like seeing stuff that I already have. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, we move on. What do we have next? So the next item in the box is this. This is the Sand Bar Soap, and it says, in Egyptian mythology, the lion was the guardian of sacred places. So it has a lion. That makes sense. I'm holding it upside down. I feel like we've had this product before. Am I losing my mind? I feel like we've had this before. I remember a lion being on a soap. I might be losing the plot, but I feel like we've had this before. Ingredients wise, this has rapeseed oil, coconut oil, sand, cornstarch, orris root powder, gardenia extract, coconut oil. Oh, it does smell really good. Essentially, I guess with the sand, it is going to be quite exfoliating. But it smells very... It smells like a sweet. It smells like something I've eaten. What is that? Like a mawam or like a chewit or something. It smells kind of like that to me. I think I'm going crazy. But this one does smell really, really good. I do like it. But again, another soap. Do you know what I mean? I don't really understand all these soaps, but anyway, moving on. And last but definitely not least, we have this. Now, we have had one of these before, which smell incredible, and I did really like it. The only thing is, mine has got wet, so it is really gloopy and sticky, which is a little bit annoying, but this is the Sticky Syrup Delight, which now makes sense because it's so sticky. And it says, we wanted to create a soft, creamy, foamy, naked shower product, so we looked at marshmallow texture for a pleasurable feel on the skin. Ooh! That smells really good. Okay, ingredients wise, we have got granulated sugar, agar-agar gel, sugar syrup, sandalwood oil, xanthan gum. Wow. It smells really good. It smells very foody, and it is like a marshmallow. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It is very squishy. But it does smell really good. But it is very, like, melty. Do you know what I mean? I feel like mine is melting everywhere. But I did remember a towel today, so you win some, you lose some. But that smells really good. I can't even describe that smell. It's like fresh, woody, a little bit sweet. Like a cider apple, but not apple, if that makes any sense. Like, you know how cider, like a cidery, appley smell? That's like more cider than apple. It smells really good. I love that. Yum. So that is everything for this month's Fresh and Flowers box. And I'm not gonna lie, I think this was my least favourite box because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 soaps, a body wash like shower thing, and a foot scrub. And I just feel like, where was the face mask? Where was the cleanser? Do you know what I mean? Like, that is what I signed up for in this box. And I know that it is like a subscription box and that I can skip them if I want to, but obviously I like to do the videos. And I do understand that it is kind of, they are going to mix it up, but I just think this box was very basic. Like, I don't need 4 soaps. Do you know what I mean? Like, how are you supposed to get through 4 soaps in a month? I don't even know. But anyway, I didn't really like this box. Not my favourite. I'd probably give it like a 2 out of 10. Is that harsh? I don't know. But definitely not my fave. My favourite product though is probably the Rhubarb and Custard soap. Because that smells incredible. It smells, oh, it smells like an ice blast. Like a cherry and raspberry ice blast. That smells amazing. Anyway, that is my favourite, but yeah, not the best. Not the best. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below whether you picked this month's box up or just your overall thoughts and opinions on this box, because again, I just didn't like it. I think it's just too soapy. It's too soapy, and that's that. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment down below and also subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.